Dear students, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today we have to solve the question number 2 of your exercise number 4.4. That is, we have to find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. We have to find the value of k in these two equations with the condition that these equations have two equal roots. Let us say for the first equation, our given equation is twice x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. We know here instead of a we have 2, instead of b we have k, instead of c we have 3. That is coefficient of x square and coefficient of x is k and c is the constant term, that is equal to 3. Now as you know, d the discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. This will imply that instead of b we will write k and then square minus times 4 into, instead of a we have 2 and instead of c we have 3, so we will write k square minus 4 into 2 into 3. So it will imply that d is equal to k square minus 24. Since we are given with the condition that the equation has two equal roots, therefore discriminant will vanish. That discriminant is equal to 0 for equal roots. This will imply that, but our discriminant is k square minus 24. This will imply that k square minus 24 is equal to 0. This will further imply that on transposing 24 to the right hand side we will get k square is equal to 24, and this will further imply that taking square roots on both sides we will get k is equal to plus minus square root of 24. Now this will imply that k is equal to plus minus square root of 24 can be factorized into 4 into 6, and taking the separate square root for 4 and 6 we will get square root of 4 is equal to 2 and square root of 6 will remain as such. So k has values plus minus twice square root of 6. So these are the values of k for which the equation first has equal roots. Now we will solve the another equation for the value of k. Now let us have a look on the second equation, that is k times x into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. So it can be further simplified as by multiplying kx with the x minus 2 by distributivity of multiplication, that is we will get kx square minus 2 times kx plus 6 equal to 0. This will imply that over here instead of a we have k, b instead of b we have minus twice k, and c is equal to 6. We know that d is equal to, that discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. This will imply that instead of b we have minus twice k square minus 4 into 4 times k into 6. We will apply square to the factor separately. That will imply that minus twice 2 square into k square minus 24k, and we are left with 4k square minus twice 24k. Now 4k will be brought common and we are left with k minus 6. So we have two factors, that is 4k and into k minus 6. Since the equation has equal roots, therefore discriminant will vanish. That discriminant is equal to 0, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. It will imply that 4k into k minus 6 is equal to 0. For example, that 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. This will imply that k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 6. But we know that k cannot be 0 because k is the leading coefficient in the equation. So k should be non-zero. So k over here, the point over here is that k should be a non-zero real number. Therefore this is not the value for k, so only value for k over here is 6. So we have this value for k in the equation.